Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a simple circuit. We will begin by identifying the three fundamental parts of any basic electrical circuit. These include a power source, such as a battery providing 1.5 volts, a load like a small light-emitting diode, and a conductive path, typically wires. Understanding these components is crucial for building your first functional circuit. Let's dive into each part in more detail. To construct your simple circuit, you will need a few key items. First, grab a power source. A single 1.5-volt AA battery works perfectly. Next, choose a load, perhaps a small light-emitting diode that illuminates with low power or a tiny motor. You will also need conductive wires, ideally with alligator clips on each end for easy connections. Finally, a simple toggle switch can add control to your circuit. Now, let's put it all together. Start by connecting one end of a wire to the positive terminal of your 1.5-volt battery. Then, attach the other end of that same wire to one of the terminals on your chosen load, like the longer leg of an LED. Next, take a second wire and connect it from the remaining terminal of your load to the negative terminal of the battery. Double-check all connections to ensure they are firm and complete. Once assembled, it's time to test your circuit. If you used an LED, it should light up immediately. If it doesn't, don't worry. Troubleshooting is part of the process. First, re-examine all your wire connections to ensure they are secure and touching the correct terminals. Next, confirm your battery has enough power, ideally 1.5 volts. Finally, for components like LEDs, ensure you have connected them with the correct polarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.